Welcome to All Kids TV.
Alif Baa Taa, learning Arabic goes so fun, mashallah. Jim ha kha da da, let's recite and answer Allah's call. Ta ra zain sin, each letter has a sound so clean. Shin sad dad nun, let's learn together, let's all go. Alif Baa Taa, learning Arabic goes so fun, mashallah. Jim ha kha da da, let's recite and answer Allah's call. To ain gain fa, beautiful letters, SubhanAllah. Kaf kaf lam mim, Allah's words are like a dream. Alif Baa Taa, learning Arabic goes so fun, mashallah. Jim ha kha da da, let's recite and answer Allah's call. Nu ha wow ya, Arabic letters the best by far. Learn them well for every prayer, they'll guide your heart, Allah is there. Alif Baa Taa, learning Arabic goes so fun, mashallah. Jim ha kha da da, let's recite and answer Allah's call. Alif to Ya, we sung them all, the letters of the Quran standing tall. Let's keep learning day by day, inshallah we'll find our way. Alif Baa Taa, learning Arabic goes so fun, mashallah. Jim ha kha da da, let's recite and answer Allah's call.
Hit the bell icon and subscribe for more videos.